In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80080206 in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check the date and time. So try to check the date and time if you have set it right, okay? So navigate here at the taskbar, check it right, and if not yet, you can make a right click and click on adjust date and time. In this way, you can check if you have set the correct time, okay? But if not, you can go with changed and from here you can set the date and time, okay? After that, click on change, then close the window and then check if the error has been resolved. But if not, then navigate to the second solution and that is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button and then wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then we need to move on to the third step, and that is to run the Windows app troubleshooter. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. So navigate here at the search bar at the left side, type for Windows Store. Then you can see find and fix problems within the store apps. Click on it. And then you can see this one. Click on next so that you can detect problems. And the moment the problems has been detected, this process will help you to fix that. Okay. Restart your computer once you have completed it and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.